Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to check search history on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. And from there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And then head over to your search section and go to the search icon. And here, if you tap on see all, you'll be able to see all your recent searches. And then there's another way, head over to your profile and then go to the three lines icon on the top right corner, and here go to your activity, scroll down, and here you'll find recent searches option under how you use Instagram section. Head over there and you'll find that recent searches too. So yeah, this is how you can just check your recent search history on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.